Good morning, Mirha. Ready for school?
Good morning, Papa. I think so.
Almost ready for school?
Almost, Daddy.
Great job, sweetie.
Thanks.
You look very nice, Mirha. Your uniform is perfect.
Thank you, Papa. Am I ready?
Yes, you are ready. Are you nervous, Mirha?
A little.
It's okay to be nervous. You are brave. Take this for good luck, Mirha.
Thank you, Papa. I feel a little nervous, but I am excited.
That's wonderful. Tomorrow will be a great day. Do you have everything for school?
Yes, Papa. I have my books and pencil box.
Let's go to school, Mirha. You will have a fun day.
Okay, Papa. There are so many kids.
Yes, Mirha. You will make new friends. Have a nice day.
Bye, Papa.
Don't worry.
Oh, no.
This is Mirha.
Hello, everyone.
Sit here, please.
Okay.
Take out your notebooks.
I am ready.
Let's write some letters.
I am ready. Mirha.
Good job.
Oh no, my pencil is broken. You can use mine. Thank you. Do you want to play? Yes! I have rice. I have noodles. Is it tasty? Yes, very good. I like school. Me too.
This is for you.
Wow, thank you.
You're very welcome.
I can't wait to read it.
This is for being so kind.
Wow, thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
Yay, look everyone.
School is over. Time to go home.
How was your day?
It was good.
Did you keep your name tag safe?
Yes, my teacher helped me.
You did very well today.
Thank you, Papa.
Tomorrow will be easier.